Before buying a female urination device, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Innovative DesignWorks Urinal. The Innovative DesignWorks Female Urinal is a standout option priced at $18.95. What caught my attention is its spill-proof design, which is essential for anyone needing reliability on the go. If you want a sturdy solution to pee while traveling, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 32-ounce capacity means you won't have to worry about frequent trips to the restroom, especially during long road trips or outdoor adventures. With over 2,700 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, thousands of women trust this product. The contoured shape is designed specifically for women, ensuring a comfortable fit that minimizes the risk of spills. Now, some people complained about the bulkiness of its design. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a compact option, then this might not be your best choice. But if reliability is your top priority, this is a solid option. This is perfect for you if you're a frequent traveler or enjoy outdoor activities. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact to stash in your purse, but for the price, it offers great value for its reliability. Now, if the bulkiness of the Innovative DesignWorks option bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Sunini Female Urination Device. The Sunini Female Urination Device is a fantastic choice at just $9.99. The bright fuchsia color caught my eye, and its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to carry. If you want something that's travel-friendly and easy to use, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. Made from high-quality silicone, this reusable funnel is soft and flexible, which means it comfortably adapts to your body while preventing leaks. With a high rating of 4.5 stars from over 8,600 reviews, this device is popular among women who want to avoid the hassle of public restrooms. The long spout design helps with aiming, which can be a game changer when you're outdoors. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be tricky to position correctly without practice. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Just like any new device, a little practice goes a long way. This is perfect for you if you love camping or hiking and want a portable solution. Skip this one if you're not keen on practicing a new technique, but for the price, it's a great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for nighttime use. Product number 3. PP-Aid Female Urinal. Next up is the PP-Aid Female Urinal, priced at $17.50. What impressed me is its hands-free design, which is perfect for keeping your clothes clean while you pee. If you want a device that allows you to pee standing up without fuss, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The PP-Aid is designed to be used fully clothed, which means you don't have to bare all your assets. It also features a wiping lip to keep things tidy, which is great for maintaining hygiene. With a 4.6-star rating from 2,500 reviews, it seems like a reliable choice for both outdoor activities and nighttime use. Now, some people felt the handle could be a bit awkward to hold. Here's the thing though, it's all about getting comfortable with it. Once you find your grip, it really does work well. This is perfect for you if you want something easy to use while camping, or if you have a medical condition that makes getting to the toilet difficult. Skip this one if you prefer a more traditional funnel style. Considering its functionality, it's a good value for the price. Now, if the PP-Aid's design wasn't quite what you're looking for, this next product offers a different approach. Product number 4. Smecklin Female Urination Device. The Smecklin Female Urination Device is another great option at just $7.99. I was drawn to its upgraded design, which includes a leak-free feature and foldable silicone extender tubes. If you're after a reliable and economical choice, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The wider opening and inclined arc help ensure a proper fit, which minimizes the risk of leaks. This device has a 4.5-star rating with over 1,000 reviews, making it a solid choice for women who want to pee standing up without the mess. It's compact and lightweight, perfect for hiking or long car trips. Now, some users reported that it takes a bit of practice to get used to the positioning. Here's the thing though, with a bit of trial and error, most women find it works great. It's just part of getting used to a new product. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, but still want something effective for outdoor adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's ready to use right out of the box without practice, but it's a good value overall. Alright, that was a solid choice. But the next one on my list brings a unique twist to the design. Product number 5, Urinary reusable pee funnel. Finally, we have another Urinary option, the reusable pee funnel, priced at $9.99. This one caught my attention for its unique ability to fold flat for easy storage. If you want a space-saving solution that still provides reliable performance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you. The anti-leak structure ensures that it stays put when in use, which is vital when you're in a hurry. Made of high-quality silicone, it's safe and comfortable against your skin, receiving a solid 4.4-star rating from over 5,300 reviews. It's designed to fit in your backpack easily, so you can always have it on hand. Now, some people have mentioned that it may feel a bit bulkier than expected when folded. Here's the thing though, the extra material actually helps with its effectiveness. Sometimes a little extra bulk means better performance. This is perfect for you if you want something that combines portability with reliability. Skip this one if you need something ultra compact, but for the peace of mind it provides, it's a fantastic value. So, to wrap it all up, we looked at the innovative DesignWorks female urinal for reliability, the Urinary device for portability, the PP8 for hands-free convenience, the Smecklin for budget-friendly options, and another Urinary for foldable practicality. Each one has its strengths, so it really depends on what you need most. Happy peeing!